Hello friends, welcome to this new video. Today we are going to discuss about the concept of management. In this video, you will understand the meaning of management as well as the characteristics of management. So let's understand it. Management is popular term and it is used extensively for all types of activities. Specifically, we are using this word when someone is taking charge of different activities in any enterprise. Management is also necessary wherever there is a group of people working in an organization, means where lots of people are working together. At that time management is must. Interesting thing is that people in organization are performing different tasks, like someone is working in production department, someone is working in marketing, someone is working in finance, someone is in research and development, or someone is in human resource department, but they all are working towards the same goal of organization. So here management plays an important role of guiding their efforts towards achieving a common objective, that is the goal of organization. So here we can see management is looking after tasks are completed and goals are achieved, and with the use of minimum resources. Now we can define the management. Management is a process of getting things done with the aim of achieving goals effectively and efficiently. Here, three words are important. The first word is process. The process means the primary functions of management that management performs to get things done or to complete the task, and it includes planning, organizing, staffing, directing, and controlling. About all this, you will learn in coming chapters. Next word is effectiveness. In management, effectiveness means doing right task, completing activities, and achieving goals. That means we can say it is concerned with the end results. That means if you are completing the task on time, you are effective manager. And the last word is efficiency. Here efficiency means doing the task correctly and with minimum cost. Efficiency includes cost benefit analysis and inputs and outputs relationship. Efficiency increases by using less resources and giving more outputs. Here resources means man, material, money, and machinery. So, management is concerned with the efficient use of these resources because they reduce the cost and ultimately it lead to higher profits for the organization. Effectiveness and efficiency, these both terms are different but they are interrelated. Actually, we can say they are two sides of same coin. Actually, there should be a balance between effectiveness and efficiency. And remember, management has to compromise efficiency many times. Actually, it is easier to be effective and ignoring efficiency, means completing the given task but at a higher cost. For example, company's target production is 12,000 units in a year, and to achieve this target the manager has to operate on double shift because most of the time there was a power failure. So here manager has completed the task but at a higher cost because he has used more inputs. On other hand, sometimes business may concentrate on producing goods at a lower cost but not able to achieve the target on time. As a result, what happened? The goods do not reach to the market and demand for them declines and competitor get chance to enter in market. So this is a condition of being efficient but not effective. So it is most important for management to achieve goals effectively and efficiently. Usually, it is seen that higher efficiency is associated with higher effectiveness, and it is also a aim of all the managers. But remember, giving more importance to efficiency without being effective is also not desirable, and we can say the poor management is result of inefficiency and ineffectiveness. So, at last, we can say management is the process of working with or working through others to achieve organizational goals effectively and efficiently in the changing environment.